Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by using what you already know. Quickly assess your level with a 5-minute spoken sample and note repeating mistakes. Once done, focus on core structures, simple present, past, and question forms, and run 1-minute timed drills to force retrieval. Make sure to speak out loud, not just think. Audio feedback matters. Ask a partner or app for immediate correction because early correction prevents fossilized errors. This first active step sets the foundation for all later accuracy and fluency gains. Once you have basics steady, expand into mid-level structures like modals, conditionals, and relative clauses. Practice why they change meaning so you use them with intent. Use shadowing and guided imitation to match rhythm and stress, then do 10 times sentence drills to build automaticity. Record yourself and compare to a fluent model, making an error log that groups mistakes by grammar type. Make sure to alternate accuracy-focused drills with short, real speech practice so the new forms transfer into natural speaking. To finish, integrate grammar into real exchange. Do simulated conversations and role plays that force you to use target structures under pressure. Then monitor progress with a weekly error log and spend 15 minutes per session reviewing recurring issues and drilling specific patterns. Make sure to alternate practice modes, structured drills, free speech, and corrective feedback to solidify gains. If you hit a plateau or feel stuck, slow down and prioritize accuracy, ask your partner for explicit correction, and restart focused repetition of the troublesome form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.